Okay. Okay.
We're about to assist my girlfriend baking some homemade chocolate chip cookies.
Stop!
In the life of a YouTuber, so it's like.
Okay, this is not my. I left my equipment. Okay, I didn't know I was gonna be doing a video. With your ugly ass out the way. Yo, Nate, you alright?
Talk to me, Sia.
No.
You got to record when you look freaking.
Hi to the subscribers. Come on. Look at Chris over there.
Why he look so scared? You saw that?
Yeah.
Oh, so take it off, please.
Alright.
So what are we making? What are we making? Can I do this part?
No! You do the next one. There's three.
Okay, okay. Oh, sorry.
Wow.
Explain what you're doing, Paula.
Mommy.
Trying to get some flour out of here. I'm freaking struggling. How the she did this like this?
The same way you do with Coke. Come on. How to bake? How to bake with
Yo, what's my half teaspoon?
featuring.
Go subscribe. Teaspoon.
Go subscribe.
A baking soda.
How many cups of flour?
Three.
Okay.
How many teaspoons
Did you
of
even tell
baking
them
soda?
what we're baking, bro?
Very tense. That's
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
that's how my life is going right now.
Half teaspoon.
Baking powder.
Can I see this?
What funny?
I'm like struggling for.
You take it too long.
Top.
Sea salt. We don't have sea salt, so we're gonna put idolized salt.
I don't like salt. I don't like salt.
You put more than just 1 teaspoon, by the way. Like, that shit went. Just put it in there.
Take notes, guys. Come on. Take notes.
I'm just throwing this away.
Pro bakers right here.
Yo, that ass.
Me. I don't know about this one.
I'm in training.
I mean, training.
Yo, this is not melted yet.
Ow!
And now you just throw the stick of butter just right in there, okay?
Please don't do that. Please don't.
You want to mix this? You ain't do nothing. Put together butter and sugar on top. I believe she said me, sir. Thank you.
All right. See, what happened was
What the fuck am I
butter
mixing?
softened. Just dry ingredients.
You gotta mix dry ingredients?
Yeah.
Dry.
You're dry.
I know.
Puto con.
So you see what happened was these didn't soften yet because we just took them out. So what happened was we're gonna stick them in the microwave.
You can't put this in the microwave.
This
Yeah.
bowl.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It's microwave.
Do not use in microwave.
Damn, boy.
Yo, what should be the title of this dumbass video right now? Should be the master and the dumbass making chocolate chip cookies.
Make sure.
Okay. Make sure you guys soften the butter. How many seconds did you put
This
it
shit
for?
look fat.
Okay, can you just?
How long did you put it for?
Just, yo, it's
30
to the
seconds.
camera.
30 seconds?
Not away
Alright.
from the camera.
30 seconds in the microwave, guys.
In this one.
No, yo, I'll play back the video. I'll play back the video. I pointed to this one first, but I felt like you were saying stupid bitch, so that's why I went over here.
Cream together, butter and sugars.
Okay.
Am I using this? Are you gonna be in the video?
Maybe.
No, not yet, not yet.
You guys give me something to do? Buddy, anything to
Yo,
do.
that ass.
My cookies.
My video.
I'm eating them.
Butter and sugars until combined. Does somebody want to do this?
I'll do it.
Oh my god.
Me do it.
Oh my god.
Ash keeps mixing it.
One of you guys take it, and they take turns.
Actually,
That's what.
go ahead. You do it.
What?
Why is it so zoomed in?
Zoom it out.
You had it zoomed in all the way.
Like, take some of it out so you can mix it.
Yeah.
Not literally, Nate.
She won't move my hand.
Step back in there. I moved it again.
Okay. Okay.
I don't know what's going on here.
Oh my god. It says it's 3 though. You put 2. It says 2. It says 3.
Says 10.
I think it says 5.
Anyways.
Yo, what's good with you?
You guys miss Florida? I miss Florida.
A little bit.
A little bit.
A little bit. A true chef cracks an egg with one hand.
Exactly. Chef Martin style. Come on, babe.
Come on, you got this. Yo, come on. I dare you. Let's go. One hand. No,
Never.
Try.
I was in culinary. I never did that.
It's only 2 eggs. It's only 2 eggs.
I want to practice.
Bro.
No. Come on.
No.
This was my childhood dream, though. One hand. Too professional.
Mixing the huevos.
Until combined. Let cream together, butter and sugar until combined.
It makes sense though, cause this is
Can
dry.
you put this in there?
This is
there. And the sugar one?
this is dry, and then that's wet ingredients.
Sugar.
Sugar. So it makes sense to choose it.
Open this up. How to get your girl mad.
Don't. Don't. I'm gonna punch you. Go ahead. I dare you.
Stop. How much longer?
Wait. Turn it off.
How?
Put it in there. Put it in there. Put it in there.
This is step 60.
Step 60.
Look how fluffy that is.
Thanks to Paola, by the way.
Yeah. Are you?
What?
Yeah, you remember that?
What? What do you want?
Move it.
No.
I want to move it. She want to
measure a
move
cup
it,
of
move
chocolate
it.
chips.
We like to
How many cups?
move it.
1 and 1/2.
Yeah.
We got that?
Step 60. What's
Only about step 70, you know. You get the chocolate chips. One hand.
You want me to hold the camera to my
One hand. So what you do is, you know. Oh, I thought you stopped there. You take this scoop.
You scoop it in.
And that's step 70. What? Motherfucker.
Oh, it's 2? Oh, okay.
One and a half.
Come here.
You take this.
That's hot.
What you doing with two?
Put it in
You
here.
take this
That's
one?
not a full cup.
Oh.
Neither one of those are full.
That's a full cup too?
Yeah, now fill that one up.
She want diabetes in these cookies, bro.
Wow.
You take this cup, you put it in this. You take the other one, you pour it again.
Thanks.
Step 81.
Step 81, dude. Okay, what's the next step?
Hold it. Hold it right. And then enough this way.
Can you stop, man? I'm trying to make cookies. Like,
Can you tilt it?
Seriously, can you stop? Jesus.
She's really demanding, right?
Yeah. She's my man.
What step is this name?
105?
105, bro? Damn.
Give me the whisk. You.
Clean the whisk.
Wanna
Step
taste it?
201.
Eggs, butter, sugar, and eggs, vanilla. What is it?
Diabetes and salmonella.
Let me see. No, let me mix it a little bit. Let me see a little bit.
Oh Jesus. You mix all the ingredients after you're done.
What step is this? 301?
375. Can stop now, please. What's in better?
Hey.
What?
Stop.
Wine. Chocolate.
Alright, add the chocolate chips.
Oh,
Wait,
shit.
make sure you're recording it good.
Yeah.
Oh, this gonna be.
Look at that goodness.
Oh my pretty!
Wow.
It looks so pretty!
I know you guys want to bite. Come on.
Damn, Jesse, that arm muscles.
Yeah, be strong.
It to work.
Yeah, be strong.
Can you tell the kids out there what the ingredients are? Again?
Nigga, you start
What the oh my. Tell the kids out here what the ingredients are.
3 cups of flour,
Alright.
1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder,
Alright.
1 teaspoon of salt, in 1 bowl. And then another bowl, 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of brown sugar. Mix it together. Then 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Mix that together in that bowl. And then combine the ingredients.
Alright.
And put some chocolate chips.
Okay.
and beat the fuck.
And chocolate dip cookies.
You have anything to say to the kids out there?
No, stop.
No?
Stop.
What's that mean just a kids menu?
A kids menu?
Kids video, what the hell?
Oh.
Butter up, man. And if you don't have butter, get parchment paper.
Oh yeah, Judgy, explain the next part. Yeah, grease the pan. Cause
Butter me up, buttercup.
I'm sorry.
You gotta make it into a ball. Alright.
1 teaspoon size ball. It's a little bit
to be
bigger.
specific.
Don't record me.
Alright, my bad. You're still gonna be in the video though, so just let you know.
But I look crazy.
And your phone.
It's okay. We're all in Corona lockdown. You alright?
So I don't know how far these are gonna spread. So I hope, 3x4 is good.
Yeah, 3x4.
Wait.
Do it? You never seen that video?
No.
Chocolate dip cookies. I guess that works.
Alright.
Did we wash our hands?
I watched mine.
Go wash your hands.
Since I'm recording, my hand. I'm okay, I'm good at it like that. So, one hand is all I need.
Make sure your hands are dry because now it's
Bang! Boom, look at that. Perfect ass circle, one hand, bro.
Damn, there's gonna be hella cookies out here. And she said, is that enough? Yeah, Brody.
About like 50 trays of cookies, you know what I'm saying?
Here. That might be a little too big.
Yeah.
You wanna take more out?
Yeah.
You have another tray?
Is it satisfying to you guys? Greasy ass hands.
No, not really.
375. I
75
recorded them at like
8 to 10 minutes.
8 to 10 minutes. Alright.
You could have just let Paula send you the clip.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Alright, so one of you two get started on these dishes.
Nate.
And yeah, have fun.
How to wash dishes. Rub it in. And throw in the water.
Something like that. Boy, you better watch
Oh, it's just kind of hot. It's kind of hot, Yo,
Can you put these sausages?
it's really hot.
My short ass?
Come here.
Yo, you want my short ass to...
Did you hit yourself on something?
No.
Okay, push it back, bro.
I got this.
Alright, that's a little cooking, but...
Here are the cookies. Now she's placing them on the plate. But still have a lot of cookie dough left, so we're about to make a couple batches of them. How many batches do you think it'll be? Maybe like 5?
I think like 3 more.
3 more? I'm gonna go all together, but so it's like 4. Maybe 5. I say 5. We'll find out, guys. Look, delicious.
I want to make sure they're not burnt.
I like eating cookies with milk too.
Yeah, these look like they'll be good with milk.
I always eat cookies with milk.
Look at how pretty. Okay, the next batch.
You guys drink anything when you eat cookies? Comment down below.
Yo, I don't know what happened. The plastic water container broke. Nate, what'd you do to it?
It's gonna be last now. So it's like I'm breaking stuff around.
Mom?
Yeah.
Mom!
You asked me, what was that?
He broke it.
That shit broke at the bottom when it fell at the floor. Cause I picked it up.
Let me see it. Show me the evidence. Come here.
She kept asking me, what is that? What is that? I was like, nothing.
But what is it? You dropped it?
Yay! It's straight. It just straight fell like this.
Yes.
And I looked back at it. I was like, and then mom kept asking me, what was that? I was like, I don't know. That was me. I don't know.
Mom!
This floor is so wet.
Mom, come here. I gotta record your reaction.
Come here.
Come on.
Come here.
Come on.
She's scared.
We'll show you right here.
Hello. That was Nate. He dropped the whole thing and all the water spilled.
Of course he did.
You gotta buy her a new one.
So thanks for...
Let's go with you. That was you?
So thanks, Chef, for...
Yep, thanks
You
for
are-
sharing.
Not for sharing, but for making the cookies.
For making the cookies, yeah.
Yo, that is. They taste.
This is-
There's still a whole bunch left, and we're still making some. Alright, so we already made the first batch. We're on the second one, and we still have plenty to go. So Chef has agreed to share the rest of the batch with us.
This is supposed to be a team effort, but
We
unfortunately
already ate the
somebody...
whole first batch.
Pretty much. With 2 cups of milk. Success.
That was bala.
Yo, bro, you still got chocolate, dude.
Nasty.
That's his fault. Clean.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video of us baking all together.
All together. So you're gonna see one. Wait, you gotta post it, right? Or no?
Yeah, I'll post it.
Okay, so you're gonna see my video of us baking cookies, and then you can see from his point of view him baking the cookies. Well, actually, we weren't even baking the cookies. It was just Jeji, and she was just demanding. All right, so we'll see you guys soon in the next video.
Shut the fuck up, bitch!
Oh, peace.
Bye.
No,